RDX made it slow for me. Would have been able to overtake. Nope. Yeah, he just OD'd. RDX made it hard for him to overtake. Guys are hearing a lot of noise because no rear seats. So we got it straight. Almost got it. Not really though. Just a rear seat removal. Taking a nice little stroll on the highway right now. Got a request for the POV, so just a little bumpy. I have the rev limiter set to 7,800. I revved it out like probably 4 times like that last week after a fresh oil change. I wouldn't recommend it, but it's okay to do it if you don't live up there. If you live up there all day, that's different. But like if you're not living up there, your oil pump will survive. Eventually, one day we might go Type S. The no signal switches. They do that a lot. No signal switches, nice. We love it, man. They be doing that shit. I don't know why. Just wait till I pass. No. Nice little poppy pops. Got some traffic. There's something back there making that noise. I gotta figure that out because that actually gets annoying. So see, right now it's saying we're going 100. We're not really going 100. We're going 83. Like 80. 82, 83, 81, something like that. Trying to do the dash. Why is it always the girls that be trying to speed? I mean, shit, I guess we all speeding, but damn, she really trying to get around. See, and then now when I move away, she's not trying to do the dash no more. Oh, because she needs to come over here. Oh, see? Moving like Infinity drivers, bro. I could make it not pop, guys, but it's because like I ease into the throttle, so that shit just pops at like the dead zone. That was a little flame. So once we get like 4,000, that's when like the flames start to kick out. Fuck, I need gas. Oh shit. Oh shit, guys, I need gas. I ain't gonna. Well, God works. Oh, little IS moving is alright. Little right, left. Heard him. State trooper right there. And this one I do when I see state troopers. I just remain calm. Ain't nothing to really worry about it, honestly. The car can stay the same volume that it was before. You're not really stressing. Ain't nothing to stress about. If you do shit like that, passing them, that's different. But if you're chilling, you're not gonna just pull out. It's a tribute. I think so. There's a bunch of bikes up there. There's a cop. I mean, nah, it's not. They're not. The cop not escorting them. He's just driving. But you never really see the normal. Unless, oh nah, it's a trip. There's a D-Tech right behind him actually. You can see because he got, I don't know if it's a scanner or a radar, but whatever it is on the back of the car. Oh shit, this one is too. Oh fuck. The Durango is too, if you guys could see. Got some shit. Everybody being scared to pass him, just go. That's why we're going this slow. If they was not here, everybody would be going at least probably like 60 right now. We're probably going 60-ish, but everybody would be going faster. Just know that. Oh, guys, damn. There's a lot of space in front of this Infinity right here, too. That's crazy. There's a lot of space. Wow, in front of the Camry, actually. Thought the Infinity was the one that was doing it. Nope. Camry. Trying not to make this shit pop, too. Fuck. Oh, man. Let me keep it below. Let me keep it below 2,000. It shouldn't pop. Oh, shut the fuck up. Stop fucking popping, bro. It's this Jetta. You see how this Jetta moving, bro? The Jetta moving scary. Yo, the Jetta moving mad scary, bro. I'm trying to move. I'm trying not to make my shit pop. The Jetta want to press the brakes for no reason. Ain't nobody in front of you, bro. There's mad space. There's mad bare space up there. And I'm trying to keep my foot steady on that throttle. I'm trying to do nothing funny and nothing weird. Alright, we got past 2. Come on, bro. Just one more. Ain't nothing crazy going on. This one chilling. He had a cap on. I don't know if that's the same one. Just sound like them. I'll be on the side with it. I don't want to touch no bike. Alright. Oh, we got 9th gen. 9th gen one time. That was with it. It was white. Only one time. Alright, I'm gonna give y'all a pull.